Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. So it leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. You can see how today, November the 28th, it's Tuesday, Tesla TSLA pops up with an over 137% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So no surprises that the stock jumps nearly 5% as a result. If we go to our alerts tab here at TradeAlgo.com, Tesla pops up at 8:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with more than quadruple the average amount of institutional bullish pressure. Now, if we go to the stock page, what our AI technology is identifying is that typically only about $20 billion of Tesla is traded behind closed doors through private exchanges by large market makers over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, November the 28th, sitting at nearly $28 billion. So it's billions and billions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now starts to make a little bit more sense as to why it's making such a large directional move. But again, it's important to have that information down here by using TradeAlgo as opposed to hearing about it over here after it's already made that move. You saw that timestamp in the pre-market. So if you had followed smart money transactions and done some call options, nice list of triple digit returns and winners here. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $250 call option. We're just going to take a look at the 15-minute chart since we know that it was identified in the pre-market. Options opened on the day at about $1. At its maximum, $3.36, 235% return. However, it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. It's about having the ability to make the trade by getting the information down here, again, as opposed to chasing it over here. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10:45 a.m. and then maybe you hopped out a little bit early at just a nice triple-digit return. Stop getting your information over here and get access to machine learning, algorithmic data, and AI down here so you can have the speed and transparency that larger institutions use as well. And it wasn't just Tesla, there were many other opportunities. We don't have time to go through all of them though, so let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. In our mid-cap space, we can see GME pops up here at the very top of the board, 775% increase in institutional bullish pressure. Stock jumps over 15%. Let's go to our alerts tab here at TradeAlgo.com, and we can see that GME is identified at 9:34 a.m., just a few minutes after market open, with a large signal of institutional green bullish pressure. So again, what our AI technology is detecting is massive amounts of unusual transactions today as opposed to the previous 7 days through private exchanges. So huge list of triple and actually in this case even quadruple digit returns. The $13 call option had the most daily volume and open interest. So let's take a look at that one. And we are going to go to the 5-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up at 9:34 a.m. So this is the 9:35 candle. Options were about 8 cents, which means at its maximum, it was up over 1,000%. And again, a very nice area or window of entry, even all the way up to here. I mean, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10:30 and we're still making almost a 200% return. One last quick example on the mid-cap side of the equation here, we're going to take a look at AFRM, which is a firm. 300% increase in institutional bullish pressure. Stock jumps nearly 10% as a result. If we go to our alerts tab, we can see that AFRM was also identified at 9:34 a.m. That was the same time that GameStop was identified at as well. 2.35 times the bullish pressure from institutions that's normally seen there. And of course, an ensuing list of triple-digit returns. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.